Hello everyone, welcome to English for 10 classes. Exercise 8. Get ready for the dictation. Start. How do you define small stop? How small may be treated as small sector industry stop? This has been debated for quite a long time. Stop. What should be the criteria for classifying an industry as a small one? Stop? Whether it should depend on the number of persons engaged in the industry or on the amount of capital invested. Stop. We have a number of categories of industries and all have the utility and importance in the economy as well. Stop. We have to take a comprehensive, not a fragmented view of the entire economy. Stop. But at the same time, it is also important for us to be aware of the problems of various segments of our economy. Stop. While seeking solutions to these problems, we must consider the picture in totally as well as the specific problems. Stop. We will be able to find solutions to these problems and succeed. Stop. Last time when I addressed you, I had opposed the raising of limit from rupees 60 lakh to rupees 3 crore. Stop. Considering it to be on the higher side, I had said that the ideal limit for small scale sector should be rupees 1 crore. Stop. Today, I will not say that the limit should be so much as the situation has changed. Stop. I would declare that the ceiling on investment in the small scale industry will be rupees 1 crore. Stop. Reservation has also been an issue for discussion. Stop. Small industries require protection. Stop. We have to offer wide protection to our small scale industry in comparison to the protection offered to multinational companies. Stop. That is why the system of reservation was introduced so that certain areas of production may be earmarked for small scale industries. Stop. There are so many bigger and wider areas for large scale industries to operate in. Stop. They should not enter into the sector earmarked for small industry. Stop. But what had been the thinking of previous governments on this issue? Stop. The Abid Hussain Committee had recommended abolition of reservation. Stop. Fortunately, the government did not accept this recommendation. Stop. But they did certain things in the last phase of their tenure which they should not have done. Stop. There is no need to scrap the reservation policy. Stop. It must continue. Stop. The products of small industry must get protection. Stop. Big industry should stay away from them. Stop. There is a list. Stop. There may be the question of details which could be discussed with your organization. Stop. But the small industry must be protected from the prevalent cutthroat competition. Stop. It is important for small industry to use adequate technology. Stop. The products which these industries are turning out are of good quality. Stop. Such products have growing demand among the consumers now. Stop.